Heat waves come with various wildfires, equal to a double crisis under climate change. Wider, hotter days mean more fires. Hot weather makes trees, grass, furniture more flammable. Higher electricity use leads to overloaded circuits. Wildfires and urban fires both increase. Check wiring and prepare fire gear regularly. Prepare evacuation plans and emergency kits in advance. During heat waves, don't just cool down, think of fire prevention. In 2025, you must be fire ready. Appreciate your likes. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.